Let us discuss about the calculation of oxidation number of sulfur in its different compound. Oxidation number of sulfur is found to be different in its different compound. Its oxidation number ranges from -2 to +6. Minimum oxidation number of sulfur is -2 and maximum oxidation number of sulfur is +6. Minimum oxidation number of sulfur is equal to the number of electron required by it to complete stable electronic configuration, and maximum oxidation number of sulfur is equal to its group number. Now I am going to discuss its oxidation number in its different compounds as hydrogen sulfide, H2SO3 sulfurous acid, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, H2SO5 peroxy sulfuric acid, H2S2O8 peroxy disulfuric acid, hydrogen sulfide, sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, peroxy monosulfuric acid, peroxy disulfuric acid. Oxidation number of sulfur in hydrogen sulfide is -2. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfurous acid is +4. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid +6. Oxidation number of sulfur in peroxy monosulfuric acid is equal to +6. In the same way, oxidation number of sulfur in peroxy disulfuric acid is equal to +6. But we can understand the concept of calculation of oxidation number according to its structural formula. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, H. Let the oxidation number of sulfur in H2S equal to X. Then you have to write 2 because number of hydrogen 2 and is multiplied by 1 +1 because oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 in combined form excepting hydride form, plus X is equal to 0. Overall charge in this molecule is equal to 0 neutral molecule. That's why we have to write 0 after equal, or 2 plus X is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to +2. Hence, the oxidation number of sulfur in H2S is +2. Similarly, in case of H2SO3, H2SO3, its structural formula is HOSOH 4 covalent bond, 1 coordinate covalent bond. Let oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO3 equal to X. Then 2 plus 1 plus X plus 3 minus 2. Hydrogen number 2, here 2, and 2 is multiplied by plus 1 because oxidation number of hydrogen in combined form plus 1 excepting hydride form, plus X plus 3, oxygen number 3, and this 3 is multiplied by minus 2 because oxidation number of oxygen in combined form generally equal to minus 2. As you know that oxidation number of oxygen is minus 1 in peroxide form, and oxidation number of oxygen is minus 1 by 2 in superoxide form. Here oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 equal to 0. Overall charge in this molecule is equal to 0, or 2 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0, or X minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to plus 4. Hence the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfurous acid is equal to plus 4. Now we can see the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid. H2SO4, its structural formula is HOSOH. Oxidation number here minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 1, plus 1. There is no presence of peroxide form. Let oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 equal to X. Then 2 plus 1 plus X plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is also neutral molecule. Overall charge equal to 0, or 2 plus X minus 8 equal to 0, or X minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to plus 6. Hence the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid is equal to plus 6. Now the calculation of oxidation number of sulfur in case of peroxymonosulfuric acid, also known as Cairoj acid. H2SO5. Its structural formula is This is the structural formula of peroxy monosulfuric acid, Carro's acid. -1 oxidation number of oxygen here -1 because it is present here in the form of peroxide linkage, peroxide form. -2 plus 1 peroxy linkage or peroxide group. Let oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO5 equal to X. Then hydrogen number 2, that's why we have to write 2, plus 1 oxidation number of hydrogen in combined form plus 1 plus here oxygen 2, we have to write 2 and multiplied by -1 because oxidation number of oxygen in peroxide form equal to -1. Then here sulfur X and oxygen 3 oxygen plus 3 -2 is equal to 0. These oxygens are different from these two types of oxygen. Here the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. That's why 3 is multiplied by -2 or 2 plus 2 -2 plus X -6 is equal to 0 or X plus 2 -8 is equal to 0 or X -6 is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to +6. Hence the oxidation number of sulfur in peroxy monosulfuric acid equal to +6. If you want to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur according to general rule, according to usual rule, then the oxidation number of sulfur will be different. That can be discussed as true value. H2SO5. Let oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO5 equal to X. Then 2 plus 1 plus X plus 5 -2 is equal to 0 or 2 plus X -10 is equal to 0 or X -8 is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to +8. This value is not true for sulfur in peroxy monosulfuric acid. not true. This is due to the presence of one peroxy linkage. In the same way, we can calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in peroxy disulfuric acid, Marshall acid. H2S2O8. Its structural formula is HO This is the Lewis structure of Marshall acid. These are the oxidation number of the atom: hydrogen +1, oxygen -2, -2, -2. Here this is your peroxide linkage. In case of peroxide, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Peroxide linkage or peroxy group. Let oxidation number of sulfur in H2S2O8 equal to X. Then hydrogen number 2 plus 1 and oxygen number having oxidation number -2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 -2 and sulfur 2 plus 2x and peroxy oxygen here 2 oxidation number -1 is equal to 0, or 2 -12 plus 2x -2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 2 here minus plus -14 is equal to 0, or 2x -12 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to +12. Therefore, x is equal to +12 divided by 2 is equal to +6. Here also oxidation number of sulfur in Marshall acid equal to +6. This is the true value. If you want to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in Marshall acid according to general rule, according to usual rule, then the oxidation number of sulfur will be different. That can be discussed as H2S2O8. let oxidation number of sulfur in H2S2O8 equal to X. Then 2 plus 1 plus 2x plus 8 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 14 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to plus 14, therefore x is equal to plus 14 divided by 2 is equal to plus 7. Not true value. It is your expected value, because structural formula of peroxidized sulfuric acid, Marshall acid, contains one peroxy linkage peroxide group. That's why on calculating the oxidation number of sulfur in this compound, the exact value of sulfur is equal to plus 6. But according to usual rule, oxidation number of sulfur is plus 7, which is not true. So this is all about the oxidation number of sulfur in different compounds of sulfur. Let me know in comment if you have any problem related to this topic. Thanks.